Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to set background color to your canvas in React 3 Fiber. So let's get started. So firstly, this is my scene. You don't have to understand all the scene, just check the background color. I have set it to ivory, but I can change it to whatever I feel like, suppose cyan, and here you can see background color has changed. So I've just created a simple wheat project for React, but you can use any React framework, whatever you feel like. Then inside my package.json I have just installed React 3 Fiber and React 3 Dray, as well as this 3 dependency. You don't need these 2 dependency. React and React DOM was already installed when I created the project, and inside dev dependency I have this type/3. Next, inside app.tsx, this is the starting entry point, and you can see I am importing canvas from React 3 Fiber, and all you have to do is attach this color tag to your canvas as background color, and here you can pass whatever color you want and it will apply it itself. And inside experience, this is just my React component. If you want to see, this is not really helpful because this is some different code. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.